Good morning, 8th class children. In previous classes we learned about squares and square roots. In the squares, we learned first in the introduction class squares of first 30 natural numbers. 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared like that. And their square roots. Square roots. Suppose 9 squared, 9 into 9, 81. Square root, square root, square root, 9 into 9 on the root is 19. Similarly, a plus b whole square means a plus b into a minus b. Its square root is square root. Square root is equal to a into b, a plus b into a plus b square root. So we have to write a plus b. Of course, we can write plus or minus. Now we are not writing, taking all positive values, positives. So in this we did in square root. In cube root, cubes 3 times. In cube root only 1 time. In square root, the square meaning is 2 times. 2 times we are taking in the square root 1 time. Similarly, 2 cube suppose. 2 cube means 8 into 2 into 2 into 2. Cube root, cube root, square root, power 4, 4th root, 5th root, 6th root, like that, 10th root also. Nth root, we have to write n factors and we have to take one number, n. Cube root meaning is 3 times. So this is 2 into 2 into 2. For every 3 numbers, we have to take 1. In the square root, for every pair, every 2 numbers, we are taking 1. In cube root, 2. In 4th root, for every 4 numbers, you take only 1. Like 5th root, for every 5 numbers, you take one number. 10th root, for every 10 numbers, you take 1 in 10th root. Similarly, 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Cube root is written as like 3 in the middle, in the square root. Cube root, only square root, we are not writing 2. For cube root, 4th root, 5th root, 6th root, you write in the middle. Cube root 3, write 3 in the middle. In this cube root of 3 into 3 into 3. For every 3 numbers, we have to take 1. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4. In cube root, write 3. 4 into 4 into 4, like that 4. 5 cube root of 5 cube is 5. Shortly write cube root of 4 cube is 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. 3 cancel, you get 1. Cube root is in the power 1 by 3. Square root is in the power 1 by 2. This is 9 squared. 9 squared. 9 squared into half. Square root meaning is power half. 2 cancel, we get 9. Right. 5 cube. 5 cube meaning is 5 into 5 into 5. There are 5 factors, sorry, 3 factors. In the square cube root, we cancel, we can write sharply like this. For cube root of 5 cube. So this is 5 cube into 1 by 3. 3 cancel, we get 5. So cube, 5 cube is this much 125 and cube root of 125 is 5. Similarly, 60 cube meaning is 6 into 6 into 6, that is product is 260. Cube root of 16, 216 is written as 6 cube into 1 by 3. 3 cancel and 6. Cube root of 216 is this. This is cube number. 6 cube 216. Cube root, like suppose 7 cube, 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343. 343 cube root, 343 can be written as 7 cube into 1 by 3. 3 cancel 7. Or for every 3 numbers to take 1 in cube root. 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8, that is product of this is 512. Cube root of 512 is 8 cube into 1 by 3. 3 cancel 8. In the 9 cube, 9 into 9 into 9, that is 729. And cube root of 729, this is short form 9 cube into 9 cube, that is 9. Or for every 3 numbers, you can take 1. Similarly, 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. Cube root of 1000 is 10 cube into 1 by 3, that is 10. Eleven cube, 1331. 11 into 11 into 11. Product is 1331 and its cube root is 1331 is 11 cube into 1 by 3. 3 cancel. So this is the way to how to find cubes and cube roots. 12 cube, 12 into 12 into 12, 1728. Cube root 1728, 12 cube. Cancel, we get 12. Short form. There are 3 12s in cube root. We write only one number, that is 12. So like that, we have to do cubes and cube roots. So in page number 69, page 69. He has given up to 20 numbers. You write the cubes, and I also introduce how to find cube roots. Cubes of all odd numbers are odd, cubes of all even numerals are even. The cube of a negative integer is always negative. So like this we have properties. So you please go through these examples and practice. You learn up to write up to 20 numbers. Write up to 20 numbers and learn these values orally. Don't multiply and say. You have to say orally. What is 12 cube? Immediately you have to say 1728. What is 11 cube? 1331. What is 15 cube? 3375. Like that you have to say. Immediately you have to say. When a person asks you what is 12 squared? 12 squared 144. What is 12 cube? 1728. Like cube of an even number is an even number. Cube of an odd number is odd. So please follow these instructions and you follow all examples. Now, in the next class, I will explain how to find cube roots. Given one exercise, you cannot do this all. You should know 60 cube. What is the value of 60 cube? 6 into 6 into 6. Wait sir, I will multiply and say it is not good for a good student. But a slow learner can multiply and say. But a tough student can say immediately 6 cube is 216 immediately. So you should learn all these cubes and squares up to 30 and cubes up to 20. 11 cube 1331. Right. 12 cube 1728. So you please learn all these numbers, cubes and cube roots. And the next class I explain how to find cube roots for given number. 13 cube. 13 into 13 into 13. This is 4197. Cube root 2197 is 13 cube into 1 by 3. Cube root is 1 by 3. So cancel 30. Similarly, 14 cube. 14 into 14 into 14. And write the product. 2744. This is 2744 cube root. Cube root is written like this. This is 14 cube into 1 by 3. 3 cancel. This is 14. And 15 cube. 15 into 15 into 15. This is 3375. Cube root of 3375 is equal to 15 cube is equal to cube root meaning is power 1 by 3. 3 cancel we get 15. So like that we do up to 20.